In this video, we're going to go over how to measure points in the SitePulse software. You'll first want to tap on the Measure Points icon in the ribbon. You'll notice the icon turns yellow to indicate that you are in the Measure Points feature. You'll also notice in the bottom right-hand corner a plus button. This is to measure the points in standing mode. If you look at the ribbon, we are currently in standing mode with our antenna height set to 6.56 feet. So what we're going to do is go ahead and level up and then tap on the plus button. You'll notice that we bring up a save point dialog with Topo 1 in the point name. You could choose to include a point code. We are not going to. We're going to leave it blank for this one. And we have a check mark in the show every time box right now. We'll leave that checked and then tap accept. The first point has been measured, so we're going to move up just a short distance. We're going to go ahead and level up again and then tap the plus icon. You'll notice that the next point is named Topo 2. The point code is still blank, but this time around we're going to go ahead and uncheck show every time and then tap accept. So our second point has been measured. We're going to travel a short distance, level up, and then tap on the plus icon. So the third point was just measured. We're going to go ahead and travel up to the next little distance. This time around, since we got a lot more points to measure, we're going to go ahead and tap on the antenna settings button, and we're going to change to walking mode. You'll notice that the antenna height is currently set to 6.6 feet, which is correct because we're going to hold it slightly off the ground, and our interval is set to 3 feet. We're going to go ahead and knock this down just a little bit and put it every 2 feet, then tap accept. And then in the antenna settings screen, hit accept again. Now you'll notice the plus icon is currently changed to a play icon. Go ahead and tap on play. It has measured the first point, and then start walking while keeping the grade rod level, and it will measure a point every couple feet. So we're going to go ahead and go back, take some points down the middle here. And now we're going to go over here close to the wall and take some points down next to the wall. Now once you're through measuring points, go ahead and tap on the plus icon or tap on the pause icon to stop measuring. And you'll notice all these points on the screen, which will zoom in a little bit. So that's how you measure points using the standing and walking method. Next, we'll discuss how to do measuring points using the driving mode. We're now going to go over using the vehicle mode in the Measure Points feature. First, what you'll want to do is tap on the antenna settings in the ribbon, and then tap on Change to Vehicle Mode. You'll notice that we currently have an antenna height of 6.45 feet. That is correct for this vehicle we have already measured, and an interval of 15 feet. We're going to go ahead and tap on interval and change it to 10, and then tap accept. If you didn't know your antenna height, because it's sometimes hard to measure on a vehicle, you could use the GNSS receiver and a known ground elevation to determine your antenna height. We go over this in detail in the measurement modes video. So go ahead and tap accept in the antenna settings, and then tap on the Measure Points icon in the ribbon. You'll notice that it turns yellow, indicating you're in the Measure Points feature, and a play icon is in the lower right-hand corner. Go ahead and tap on the play icon. You'll notice a save point window pop up with a point name of Topo 1. You could choose to name it something else. We're just going to leave it at Topo 1. You could also choose to include a point code. We're going to leave it blank for this example. We are going to tap on the check mark in front of show every time to remove it, because we don't want this window point popping up every time a point is measured. And then tap accept. So now that first point has been measured, we can put the tablet down and then put the vehicle in drive. Now start driving where you want to measure points. We are going to measure 2 lines of points, so we're going to come down here and then we're going to turn around. So now we're going to start measuring our second line of points here. Once you have finished measuring your second line of points, go ahead and put the vehicle in park. And then on the tablet, you can hit the pause icon to stop recording. If you wanted to record the last point you're at, go ahead and hit play again and pause again to record that point. At this point, you can move to a new location and start measuring more points, or you could tap on the cut fill to take the SitePulse software back to default. For more training, please visit learn.trimble.com and set up your free account.